Welcome to the world of DeLonghi, where you're about to enter a whole new coffee experience. You'll discover why good coffee is a way of life in Italy, and espresso, thanks to DeLonghi, you can now make it easily at home. With proper use and a little care, you can enjoy delicious espresso or cappuccino coffee in minutes. Before you start to use your machine, there are a few things you need to know. Read the instruction booklet and follow the safety guidelines, just as you would when using any other electrical appliance for the first time. Before using your coffee machine, wash the accessories using warm water and a little detergent and give them a good rinse. Using for the first time. The first time you use the appliance, select the language. To set English, plug the appliance into the main socket and wait for the appliance to display "Press OK to install English." Press the OK button for at least 3 seconds until the appliance displays "English installed." After a few seconds, the appliance displays "Fill tank." To fill, remove the tank, rinse and fill with fresh water. Never exceed the max line. When removing the tank, the cappuccino maker must always be positioned towards the center of the appliance, otherwise the tank cannot be removed. Put the tank back and push as far as it will go. The appliance now displays "Turn the steam knob." Move the cappuccino maker outwards and place a cup underneath it. Turn the steam knob anti-clockwise as far as it will go. After a few seconds, a little water runs out of the cappuccino maker. When water stops running out, turn the steam knob clockwise as far as it will go. The appliance now displays "Turning off, please wait," and it goes off. Fill the container with coffee beans. Press the on-off button. The appliance displays "Heating up, please wait," to indicate that preheating is underway. When preheating is complete, the appliance displays "Rinsing complete, please wait," and performs an automatic rinse cycle. A little hot water runs out of the spouts and is collected in the dip tray beneath. The appliance now displays the ready message, "Ready standard taste." Preparing coffee using coffee beans. The appliance is preset to make coffee with a standard taste. You can also choose coffee with an extra mild, strong or extra strong taste. To choose the required taste, press the coffee taste selection button. The selected coffee taste will be displayed. Place 1 cup under the spouts to make 1 coffee or 2 cups for 2 coffees. For a creamier coffee, lower the spouts to bring them as close to the cups as possible. Press the 1 or 2 cups short coffee button to make a short coffee, the 1 or 2 cups standard coffee button for a standard coffee, and the 1 or 2 cups long coffee button for a long coffee. To make 2 coffees, press the button twice within 2 seconds. The appliance now grinds the beans and starts running off the coffee into the cup. Once the desired quantity has been reached, the appliance automatically stops delivering the coffee and ejects the grounds into the special container. After a few seconds, the ready message is displayed again and you can make another coffee. Use cups that have been preheated by rinsing them with hot water or by leaving them for at least 20 minutes on the cup warmer tray on top of the appliance with the appliance on. While the appliance is making the coffee, delivery can be stopped at any time by pressing the 1 or 2 cups short, standard or long coffee button as previously selected. As soon as delivery is complete, to increase the quantity of coffee, simply press and hold the 1 or 2 cups short, standard or long coffee button as previously selected until the desired quantity is reached. This operation must be performed within 3 seconds from when coffee delivery from the spout ceases. The appliance counts the number of coffees made. Every 14 single coffees or 7 doubles, the appliance displays empty grounds container, indicating that the grounds container is full and must be emptied and cleaned. To clean, open the service door at the front by pulling the handle. Remove the drip tray, empty and clean. Empty the grounds container and clean thoroughly, making sure all residues deposited on the bottom are removed. Changing the quantity of coffee in the cup. The appliance is factory preset to automatically deliver the following quantities of coffee: short, standard, long. To change these quantities, proceed as follows. Press the button corresponding to the quantity you want to change for at least 5 seconds until the message Program Quantity is displayed. When the coffee in the cup reaches the required level, press the same button again to memorize the new amount. Regulating the coffee mill. However, after making the first coffees, if you find that coffee delivery is either too fast or too slow, the grinding coarseness regulator can be adjusted. Turning it 1 click clockwise speeds up coffee delivery. Turning it 1 click anti-clockwise slows down delivery, giving a creamy appearance to the coffee. The grinding coarseness regulator must only be turned when the coffee mill is on. Preparing espresso coffee using ground coffee instead of beans. Press the button to select the ground coffee function. This disables the coffee mill function. The appliance displays Ready Pre-Ground. Lift the central lid. Place 1 measure of ground coffee in the funnel and proceed as previously. You can make just 1 coffee at a time by pressing the 1 or 2 cups short, standard or long coffee buttons. Once the coffee has been delivered, to go back to making coffee using beans, deactivate the ground coffee function by pressing the button again. Hot water delivery. Always make sure the appliance is ready. Turn the cappuccino maker towards the outside of the appliance and place a container under it. Press the button to select hot water. The appliance displays Ready Hot Water. To turn the steam knob half a turn anti-clockwise as far as it will go, hot water is run off from the cappuccino maker and starts to fill the container underneath. To interrupt hot water delivery, turn the steam knob clockwise as far as it will go and place the cappuccino maker in the original position near the center of the appliance. To deactivate the hot water function, press the button again. Preparing cappuccinos using steam. Move the cappuccino maker outwards. Place an empty container under the cappuccino maker. Turn the steam knob a half turn anti-clockwise as far as it will go. The appliance displays Steam. Allow the steam mixed with water to run off for a few seconds until steam only is given off. To interrupt steam delivery, rotate the knob clockwise as far as it will go. Fill a container with about 100 grams of milk for each cappuccino to be prepared. Dip the cappuccino maker into the recipient containing the milk. Turn the steam knob a half turn anti-clockwise as far as it will go. Steam is discharged from the cappuccino maker, giving the milk a creamy, frothy appearance. To obtain a creamier froth, dip the cappuccino maker into the milk and rotate the container with slow movements from the bottom upwards. Once the required temperature is reached, interrupt steam delivery by rotating the knob clockwise as far as it will go. Prepare the coffee as described above, using large enough cups. Then fill with the frothed milk prepared previously. The cappuccino is ready. Sweeten to taste and, if desired, sprinkle the froth with a little cocoa powder.